Welcome to this complete Niagara Falls, Canada guide. Imagine a place where the beauty of nature collides with thrilling adventures. A place that is both serene and electrifying at the same time. That place is none other than Niagara Falls, Canada. Known for its breathtaking waterfalls, it offers far more than just a spectacular view. We'll be taking you on a virtual tour of 10 must-visit spots around Niagara Falls, Canada, from the thunderous Horseshoe Falls and the behind-the-scenes adventure at Journey Behind the Falls, to the dizzying heights of Skylon Tower and the colorful Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory. We'll roam the charming streets of Niagara-on-the-Lake, take a spin on the Niagara SkyWheel, explore the fun-filled Clifton Hill, cruise with Hornblower Niagara, marvel at the Floral Clock, and finally immerse ourselves in the natural beauty of Niagara Glenn Nature Reserve. Stay tuned to learn about the best ways to experience Niagara Falls. First on our list is the breathtaking Horseshoe Falls. This natural wonder, aptly named for its distinctive horseshoe shape, is the largest of the three falls that make up the Niagara Falls. Spanning an impressive 2,200 feet in width, it's a sight that never fails to inspire awe. Horseshoe Falls is not just about size, though, it's about power. Every minute, about 600,000 gallons of water roar over the edge, plunging 287 feet into the frothy basin below. This rush of water generates a mist that can be seen from miles away, adding to the fall's mystical allure. But it's not just about the spectacle from afar. Up close, the thunderous roar of the water and the refreshing spray on your face is an experience that's nothing short of exhilarating. It's a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. Remember to capture some stunning photos at the Horseshoe Falls. Next up, we take you on a journey behind the falls. Imagine standing in the heart of Niagara Falls, the thunderous roar of water echoing around you as you feel the cool mist on your face. That's precisely the experience you get on the journey behind the falls. Let's dive right in, shall we? This self-guided adventure leads you through a series of tunnels carved deep into the bedrock behind the mighty Horseshoe Falls. As you wander through, you'll hear the powerful gush of water reverberating through the rock, a symphony of nature that's truly awe-inspiring. Along the way, you'll find several observation decks, each offering a unique perspective of the falls. One of the highlights is the portal views, where you can literally see, hear, and feel the heart of Niagara Falls right in front of you. So if you're looking for an intimate encounter with one of the world's most iconic natural wonders, Journey Behind the Falls is the way to go. This is an experience you wouldn't want to miss. Rise above the falls at the Skylon Tower. This remarkable structure stands tall at a staggering 775 feet, offering panoramic views of the majestic Niagara Falls and the surrounding region. As you ascend in the glass-enclosed elevator, the world unfurls beneath you, a spectacle of nature's grandeur that's truly breathtaking. The Skylon Tower is more than just an observation deck, though. It's a gastronomic delight, a place where taste meets spectacle. The tower houses two restaurants, the revolving dining room and the Summit Suite Buffet. The revolving dining room rotates 360 degrees in the span of an hour, offering you a constantly changing vista as you dine. The Summit Suite Buffet, on the other hand, offers a wide range of delicious options to satisfy every palate. With its stunning views and delectable dining options, the Skylon Tower is a perfect place for a romantic dinner with a view. For nature lovers, the Butterfly Conservatory and Niagara-on-the-Lake are must-visits. The Butterfly Conservatory is a tropical paradise, home to over 2,000 free-flying butterflies from about 45 different species. Prepare to be enchanted as you walk amidst a vibrant kaleidoscope of fluttering wings in an environment that replicates the natural tropical rainforest. Just a short drive away, you'll find the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake. This picturesque destination is the epitome of tranquility with its well-preserved 19th century buildings and serene landscapes. It's also the heart of Ontario's wine country, so don't miss out on a vineyard tour and wine tasting. Whether you're marveling at the colorful spectacle of the Butterfly Conservatory or strolling through the quaint streets of Niagara-on-the-Lake, these experiences are bound to leave you with a sense of peace and wonder. So take a breather, slow down, and let nature work its magic. These destinations offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Experience fun and excitement at the Niagara SkyWheel and Clifton Hill. The SkyWheel isn't your average Ferris wheel. Oh no, it's much more than that. This enormous structure stands 175 feet tall, offering panoramic views of the Horseshoe and American Falls, the Niagara River, and other landmarks. Each climate-controlled gondola provides a comfortable, thrilling, and let's not forget, safe journey. Now let's stroll down to Clifton Hill, a vibrant hub of entertainment and hospitality. From whimsical wax museums to thrilling haunted houses, Clifton Hill offers a variety of attractions that cater to every taste. If you're a fan of mini-golf, you're in luck. The Dinosaur Adventure Golf, a prehistoric-themed course, will take you back millions of years. And if you're feeling peckish, you'll find a smorgasbord of dining options, from fast food joints to fine dining. Whether you're young or simply young at heart, these are perfect spots for family fun and entertainment. Get up close and personal with the falls on the Hornblower Niagara Cruises. Imagine this: a gentle breeze is tousling your hair. The mist from the falls is playing on your face like a refreshing spray on a warm day. The roar of the water is a symphony of nature, powerful and awe-inspiring. This is what awaits you on the Hornblower Niagara Cruises. These cruises take you right to the heart of the action, bringing you as close as you can get to these majestic falls. Feel the thunderous energy, see the shimmering rainbows dancing in the mist, and witness the sheer power of nature at its most breathtaking. The Hornblower Niagara Cruises offer an intimate, immersive experience that's unmatched. It's not just about seeing the falls, it's about feeling them, hearing them, and being a part of their grandeur. This is why it's a popular choice for visitors, not just to see, but to feel, to experience. A cruise is a fantastic way to see the falls from a different perspective. Finally, don't forget to visit the Floral Clock and the Niagara Glenn Nature Reserve. As we continue our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the ticking beauty of the Floral Clock. This isn't your everyday wall clock. Oh no, this is a feat of horticultural artistry. Spanning 40 feet in diameter, the Floral Clock is one of the largest in the world. Crafted meticulously by the Niagara Park's horticulture staff, the clock's face is a kaleidoscope of vibrant blooms, changed twice a year to keep up with the changing seasons. And if you're thinking, does it really tell time? Yes, it does. The tower at the back houses the mechanisms that keep this flower-filled marvel ticking. Quite a charming way to keep track of your day, wouldn't you say? From the carefully crafted Floral Clock, let's venture into the wilder side of things at the Niagara Glenn Nature Reserve. This area is a testament to the region's natural beauty, untouched and preserved for generations to enjoy. Here the air is filled with the whispers of ancient trees, the rustle of leaves beneath your feet, and the distant roar of the mighty Niagara River. The Niagara Glen is a hiker's paradise, with over 4 kilometers of paths winding through Carolinian forest. Each trail offers a unique adventure, taking you past prehistoric geological formations, through dense vegetation, and offering breathtaking views of the Niagara River and the Niagara River whirlpool. Just remember to wear sturdy shoes, as the paths can be quite rugged. And for those who prefer a calmer experience, there are picnic areas where you can sit back and soak in the serenity of the surroundings. You might even spot some of the local wildlife if you're quiet enough. Remember, you're a guest in their home. So whether you're a lover of flowers, an adventurer at heart, or simply someone who appreciates the serene beauty of nature, the Floral Clock and the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve are must-visit spots on your trip to Niagara Falls. These two spots beautifully showcase the natural beauty of Niagara Falls. There you have it. 10 fabulous things to do in Niagara Falls, Canada. From the mesmerizing Horseshoe Falls, where Mother Nature puts on a spectacular show, to the incredible journey behind the falls, where you can almost touch the cascading waters. We've soared to dizzying heights at the Skylon Tower, fluttered amongst the butterflies at the Niagara Park's Butterfly Conservatory, and savored the charm of Niagara on the lake. We've taken a spin on the Niagara SkyWheel, experienced the buzz of Clifton Hill, and sailed the waters with Hornblower Niagara Cruises. And let's not forget the timeless beauty of the Floral Clock, or the natural wonder of the Niagara Glen Nature Reserve. Each attraction a unique thread in the vibrant tapestry that is Niagara Falls, Canada. So pack your bags and let your wanderlust guide you, because whether it's thrill-seeking adventures or tranquil natural retreats you're after, Niagara Falls has it all. We assure you a visit to Niagara Falls, Canada will be a trip you will never forget.